We've done the mass communications. That was also one of the reasons we went with TeamSense. Because previously to 2021, we had actually had a couple snowstorms that actually forced us to shut down. And we had no way of communicating that with employees. Like we've discussed earlier, phone numbers weren't accurate. So we were having people call and then it wouldn't be the right person. So we definitely have used that mass communication part. I set it out when we first started our TeamSense, and I just said, "Hey, everyone, TeamSense is up and running. Just so you know, going forward, please communicate your absences via TeamSense." So we've definitely used that, and we've divided it up into departments as well, so the departments can communicate with their employees and just say, "Hey, we're changing the schedule. It's going to be this for the next day." And I think that's also helped communicate that as well too, because everyone gets that on their phone. Whereas if we post signs, you can post as many signs as you want, but somehow they'll seem to miss them from time to time. So this is just another way for us to get that information out in front of them as well.